Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to ELC Studies, and today I am here with another amazing topic from History of English Literature. So today we will discuss about the next era, which is the Victorian period. So let's get started. Victorian period is one of the remarkable periods of English literature. The period is named after Queen Victoria, 1837 to 1901. Victorian period is said to have started with Queen Victoria's accession to throne in 1837 and continued till her death in 1901. This period is also known as the Second Renaissance of England. The diverse characteristics of this era include the conflict between science and religion, imperialism, industrialization, materialistic outlooking, adventure, presence of women in all sectors, and domination of novels but fluency of poetry. Let's talk about that how was the life in Victorian era. When Queen Victoria took the throne in 1837, the social life of the people had already experienced a shift. We all know that urbanization was started, industrialization was started, but the speed became faster. So the transformation was happening in the lifestyle of people, and the pace of it was faster than ever. The middle class had become a part of a social construct, and the industrial revolution has started to improve the financial and social conditions of the people. Due to changes that were happening in the social front, the Victorian era came to be known as the Age of Reform. The Victorian time period is known for its hierarchy based social order. Victorian society was a class based society. You can see the various nobility titles in Britain. Let's study the major characteristics of Victorian period. The number one characteristic of Victorian period is industrial revolution. And the second one is it was an age of prose and novel. The third one is dramatic monologue. It was not only the age of prose and novel, but the dramatic monologue was also very popular. And the next is weak faith in religion. The next one is intellectual developments and new education. The Victorian peoples were more towards the imperialism and contribution of women in all sectors. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe so that we come up with an upgraded and emerging versions of videos.